Hi everyone, welcome back to Elevate Weekend, where I share with you tips on how to make money online through passive income ideas, through side hustles and other means of making money online. Today I'm going to be tutoring you on how to make money as a ghostwriter. I'll be going through the entire video on how to do it, not only showing you what to do, but step-by-step guide on how to become a ghostwriter, because at this moment people are making up to £3,000 every month. There are people doing it already, and I will show you an example of that. So join me into the video. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, because it would really help me in terms of growing the channel and making this valuable content for people like you who really are looking for ways to sustain themselves and have extra passive income. Okay guys, we're here. This is the platform you need if you're really serious about making money as a ghostwriter. You would need two things. Where number one, there's website where you can sell your service, and another website where you can populate your content. So to do this, I'm going to show you, like I said to you, I'm not going to leave you hanging. I'm going to show you how to create the write-ups and how to sell them, so it makes it very easy for you to do. And like I said, you can make up to 2,000 doing this, whether in pounds, in dollars, or however whatever currency you use in your country. Just to show you that this is not a joke, people are making over that in every month. So let's dive into it. This is Fiverr. All you need to do is go and Google Fiverr. I'm sure you can see the spelling here, and on the search bar here you just need to write ghostwriter. You can even write writer or whatever suits you. I've decided to put in here ghostwriter, and just click the search button. When you click the search button, it helps you to see what kind of content people are creating already, and it helps you to also create a competitive pricing around what you want to do. So on here we can see here, I will ghostwrite your children book series. As you can see, for each of this service, this guy is charging a whole lot of £437. Guys, if this guy sell like 3 of this gig in a month, this is almost £1,000 already for selling only three of this gig. And obviously if you look everywhere else, you would find that the price varies. Look at this one. This lady sells for £214. I will ghostwrite your best-selling novel, fiction and non-fiction. As you can see, this gig is different from this gig, because this person would already specifies that for children's series. This person, whereas, is selling novel, fiction and non-fiction, which means that this person is doing a wider range of service. We'll also see lesser prices. For example, this is £68. All over you would find different pricing. This is a pro verified seller, and this person is charging £3,862. Guys, this person only needs to sell 2 in a month. If you're not looking for that big, if you're looking to go big and serious about it, you can step up your game and become a pro verified service seller on this platform. Anyway, because you're just starting, you want to start from the small bits so that you can work your way up. Once you start having so many good reviews, you can obviously become a level 2 seller. So let's look at this ghostwriter as an example. If you look at his page, it says this is for basic package. The basic package would create up to 500 words, and it would tell you, it would do a topic research for you. Now this is the service you want to create. If I want, for example, if I want to go as a ghostwriter for children's stories, all I need to do is then go on ChatGPT, which is where you want to populate this story. I know a lot of you would say, I don't know how to do it, which is what I've said repetitively throughout this video, because not every one of us are good at writing, and not every one of us have actually thought about writing for people or for companies before. So this is where ChatGPT comes in. All you want to now do is, when you get ChatGPT, if you don't know about ChatGPT, please go through my videos. I have other videos that talks about what ChatGPT is. So look for that video and get yourself educated more on what ChatGPT is and how you can use it. So here on the left hand side here, you need to click on new chats. When you click on new chat, this chat button, this chat bar comes up, and in this chat box, all you need to do is write a children story. Very easy. You don't need to overpopulate it. Just write the idea of what you want, and it's going to do that for you. So here is it. Click on the enter button, and it's going to create that for you. Is that not absolutely interesting? So this is you not doing really nothing, to be honest with you. You are not doing nothing. All you're doing is getting an idea from Fiverr on what you can write as a ghostwriter, and getting ChatGPT to populate your story for you. So if you feel that this may be too generic, all you need to do is try to tweak it here and there. Probably just change the name. It says here, once upon a time in a far off land, talking about Benny. You can change your Benny name to maybe talking about Rosie. All you need to do is tweak it here and there. Now, because on the Fiverr, the example we are using says I will write up to 500 words. So you want more in this story because the content is not a lot. You can then write, we can put in write more. You see, it's creating more content for you. And this is what you need. By the time you count all of these words, you would find out that you have created up to 500 words. If it's not up to what you need, all you need to do is write more again, and it will continue to populate and populate till it gets to your desired number of words. And that is you creating a story already, getting ChatGPT to do it for you. Guys, this is mind-blowing, because you can make up to 3 grand, like you see already, which I've shown you. This is not a fabricated story. All you need to do is get in your Fiverr. If you don't want to use Fiverr, there are other platforms you can use. You can use Upwork, you can use other platforms to sell your service. So please guys, maximize this opportunity. As it is, I have created a story already within how many minutes? Less than 2 minutes, and it's created for me a child story. If that was an order, that means an order is fulfilled, and all I need to do is deliver this to my clients. By the time you create this, 3 of these within 5 minutes, you have created up to 3 stories. And ChatGPT is very good because you can tweak it. It has the capacity to do that for you. So this is why this gig is very good for you, and this passive income idea is absolutely amazing, because as women, like I said, we don't have the time. We have so much things we are doing on our hands, and we don't want to be sitting around searching through Google for ideas. I really hope that this helps you guys. If you've used this before, please let me know in the comment section. If you like videos like this, please let me know in the comment section so I can create more videos and give you more ideas on how to earn as women. This is a community for both women and men. However, I like to give extra services, extra information for women, so that we can create that environment where we look after the family and we still bag in the money. So if you've stayed till now, I want to say a very big thank you for watching the video from the beginning till the end. I want to believe that the video has been valuable, and by now you already know how to work as a ghostwriter, as a freelancer, where to list your services, and also where to sell from, and how to create your story, how to create your blogs. Thank you so much. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section down below, and I will be in the comment section to respond to every questions or queries. Thank you, and see you in the next video.